Natural landforms have distinct physical features that allow living things to live and survive in the environment. Some examples of natural landforms are mountains, plains, and valleys.
Moun- Mountains have lots of different plants and animals. This is called biodiversity. You can find food, wood, and even plants that can be used as medicine in the mountains. Mountains can have steep sides and pointy peaks. Some mountains are formed when volcanoes erupt. Others are formed when Earth slowly moves and pushes up the land. Mountains act as natural barriers that absorb energy from weather disturbances. The vegetation prevents landslides and soil erosion. The higher slopes have harsh environment conditions due to lower temperatures, thin air, and strong winds. Mountain tops are cold and windy, making it hard for many plants and animals to live there. The lower parts of the mountains have more plants for animals to eat. You can find animals such as birds, frogs, and monkeys. Mountains ranges, which form mountain belts, often have steep slopes and pointy peaks. Some indigenous communities with their own culture occupy this area.
So the next is plains. What are plains? So plains are flat land found in low areas. There are two types of plains, mainly the coastal plains and uplands. Plains found near the coast are called coastal plains. Plains near mountains are often referred to as foothill plains or uplands. So, did you know that the famous plains in the Philippines is the Central Luzon Plain? It is because it is the rest greenery of the Philippines and also the largest grain among all the other plains.
Valleys are long, low areas of land between mountains, hills, or plateaus and are formed in different ways. Some are formed by the water erosion from rivers, while others are from soil and rock erosion. Glaciers, which are vast rivers of ice, can also create deep and wide valleys as they move. Some valleys are formed when Earth's surface cracks and moves apart. These are called rift valleys. Deserts are also sometimes called dry valleys. Many people live in the valleys because of the abundance of fresh water and fertile soil ideal for growing crops. Water running from the hillsides carries soil, resulting in a flat island. This is good for farming and raising animals such as cows and cattle. Animals found in the valleys include birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Plants such as wildflowers and cacti are also found in valleys.